Hey everyone, welcome to Taros by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Stake Investing mobile app. In 2026, Stake remains the go-to app for Australian and UK investors looking for seamless access to Wall Street and ASX. Its primary pro is its ultra-competitive pricing model, offering a $3 flat free brokerage for ASX trades and $0 brokerage for US stocks, which makes it one of the most effective platforms for frequent traders. The mobile interface is incredibly slick and app-first feature real-time market data, fractional shares, and easy-to-use Wall Street versus ASX toggle. The 2026 update has further improved the Stake Black premium tier, adding deeper analyst ratings and price targets directly in-app. However, the biggest con is that the FX transfer fee. So the final verdict for this is that for the average retail investors who want a beautiful, reliable, and low-cost way to build a global portfolio from their phone, Stake is still the leader for the pack.